Yeah, man, it's your boy A1 Yoda, man. Live coming again. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, nobody beat it safe. You know what I'm talking about? Finna get on that Shawty Wanna Ride beat by Young Buck. You know what I'm talking about? I heard it. I just started going off, you know what I'm saying? And I'm feeling it. You know what I'm talking about? So check your boy out, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Like I said, I'm just trying to blow up. You know what I'm talking about? 1DDNT, One Star Nation Gang, man. You know what I'm talking about? I'm a Daddy Texas nigga, Glendale nigga, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm a real nigga, you know what I'm talking about? And I fuck with this shit. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with this shit the long way, so fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? That's all I had. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Yeah, I want Yoda. Keep a bad mamacita, stay rolling Garcias. Far from a beast, I'm a motherfucking creature. I'm a trap keeper, I keep a street sweeper. When it comes to the beats, call me Grim Reaper. Stay mashing for the cash, grinding for the dough. Stevie Wonder to the faking players get chose. You know what that mean? I ain't chasing no hoe. Call me Forrest Gump, how I be running to the door. Mouthpiece, cocaine with a hair run flow. Kush so loud like I'm banging zero. If you a lame, I advise you take notes. Certified nigga right here, no joke. Run up on me, you know what I told. Fucking 9mm with a knot hoe. That mean it got hunters. And I stay blunter. With a double cup, I'm from Texas, what the fuck? Niggas know me, I don't shoot no slugs. I ain't got time to eye to eye and shoot mugs. I'm gon' run up on you. I'ma hit you with a 1, 2. Niggas know what I do. Now I'm too real. Land of the trill. I got a golden grill coming off the head. Know I go fed. Do anything just so my sons can stay fed. I'm live. Yeah, I'm certified. And I stay wide. Glendale till I die. Oak Cliff niggas. Know I pull triggers. And I roll pussy niggas like they fucking swishers. Coming through swinging on 26. Yeah, bitch nigga, yeah, you know that I'm gifted. I'm talking about my flow. Never been a hoe. Yeah, like I said, players get told. I had to do it again. Yeah, I fucked up.